If you found this, then you'll be a million. Just kidding. This your boy Slang, and we're back again with another video. So today I made something different. Like I'm amazed I made this because I didn't think I would make this type of beat. So I've been listening to the new Central Cee X Drake song. Yeah, I forgot. Is it Drake's song or Central? I'll check it out. But anyway, I've been listening to the song and damn, bro, like that's a fire song, bro. So I've I really like fuck with the part, the nah, no swearing, bro. I really like the part, the changing part, the part when the beat switch and all. Yeah, that's the part I really liked. So it captured me like what I even like tried those type of beats. So I went to the studio, logged in, and decided to create something like that. So let me give you a preview of what I did. So you'll let me know like if I cooked up well or if I didn't cook up well. But I roll with it. I like this one. Yeah, let me know which time and play it for you so you can hear how it sounds like. Yeah, so that's how I did the beat. So yeah, man, like it's fire, bro. Like I didn't know I could make this type of beats. Like honestly, like it surprised me. And please subscribe to my channel. More videos coming. Yeah, the boy is packing. Yeah.